Hi, this video is to show you how to get the most out of the Municipality of Anchorage's Parks and Recreation Cleaning Metrics application. When you first open the application, after you accept the disclaimer, you'll notice the large map window. The city has been divided up into different work or cleaning sectors. And you can click there to get additional information such as when the last cleaning date was, or you can look at the color-coded cleaning status and compare that to what you see in the legend. There are also non-sector cleaning areas, which are the small pinkish circular areas around the city. Those are not clickable on this map, but I can show you how to get that information in just a moment. Down below in this dashboard area, this first dashboard widget provides a link to APD's Camp Posting Metrics application. That's explained in a different video. This second dashboard widget provides a summary of year-to-date cleaning labor hours, and the third widget provides year-to-date amount of trash removal in tons. To look at the tabular information for these cleaning sectors and non-sector cleaning areas, you can click this tiny arrow at the very bottom of the window, and the table window opens. Again, we have non-sector cleaning as well as sector cleaning summary information. If you like, you can select options on each of those tables and select Export to CSV, and you can save the file in CSV format. That will allow you to open the table in Excel and look and work with the information that way if you like. And that's it. Thank you.